Time Travel Tuesday. My name is Lisa. I'm one of the interpreters here at Brattonsville. Today I am making a vinegar pie. Now whenever I tell people I'm making a vinegar pie, they go, ew, vinegar, but it's only a little tiny bit of vinegar, so I'm not sure why it's called a vinegar pie. But here we go. Now to start with, I'm doubling this recipe. So I need 2 eggs, which are fresh from our chickens. Eggs are in. We need 1 heaping tablespoon of flour, so we have 2 heaping tablespoons of flour. We need a teacup, and a teacup is about 3/4 of a cup of sugar, so that would be doubled, it'd be a 1.5 cups. That's a lot of sugar. And then we're going to beat it all well together. We've got our 2 tablespoons of sharp vinegar, got white vinegar, and a teacup, or in this case 2 teacups of cold water. Mix it all around here. Vinegar pie was a pie that they made often when they were at the end of the winter. They were running out of preserves and things to make pies with. And then we flavor it with nutmeg. Get the nutmeg off the plate. There we go. A nice deep pan. And then we're gonna cut off around the edge here, trim up our crust, and get it ready to go in the oven. We'll be a little rustic today. There it is. The lid back on. And we let that bake, as most recipes tell it, until it's done. Thank you for joining us for Time Travel Tuesday. Join us Saturdays in March for Women's History Month and see what kind of activities we're up to.